to my Clay channel. So today I'm gonna make a oyakodon chicken and egg bowl. It's a served rice in a bowl with chicken and a beaten egg boiled with soup stock. I made it with my flatmate when I stayed in London. So I have a so lovely memory with this food. So and it's not too hard to make it. So it's mean that you can also make it. So I hope you also like it. So okay, let's get started.
So these are the ingredients for today, and the key to making delicious oyakodon is that the eggs are soft boiled, but please adjust the heat to suit your liking.
So okay, first cut the onion in half. So I slice the onion like this, and then next let's cut the chicken thigh.
So please cut the chicken thigh into bit-sized pieces.
So okay, I cut the chicken thigh into big-sized pieces, and then next let's make a mixed seasonings. So okay, first please add the 100 ml of menthiu, and then next please add the 4 tablespoons of mirin, and then please add the 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. And then next, please add the 2 teaspoons of sugar. Any sugar is okay.
So Kikai Island has a thriving sugarcane industry, so I use brown sugar. And my family Pacquiao also loves sugarcane and often eat it during the harvest season, like this. Isn't Pacquiao so cute?
And then mix well.
So, okay, everything is ready. So let's make an oyakodon.
So next, please turn on the medium-low heat.
So put the seasonings mixture into a fry pan and bring to the boil. So while waiting, crack 4 eggs and beat them.
Okay.
So when it comes to the boil, please add the ingredients.
So, and then next, please add the chicken thigh and the onion. So I will simmer around 3 minutes. So okay, 3 minutes has passed. So okay, next, and then please put the half on the beaten eggs in the pan. 半分の量の卵だけ入れます。And then close, and then again steam around 2 minutes. So, okay, 2 minutes has passed. Ooh, looks yummy. 半熟だね。So, and then next, please add the remaining of the beaten eggs.
So I want to garnish this dish, so I sprinkle with chopped spring onions.
And then turn off the heat and please steam around 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute has passed. じゃーん、できました。半熟の親子丼。Ooh, looks yum. Okay, serve to plate. So, okay, I will prepare the rice.
So, and then next, place oyakodon on top of the bowl. So this time I sprinkle the chopped spring onion, but generally mitsuba, Japanese parsley, is used. So finally, sprinkle with spring onion and ready.
ただーん、できました。親子丼 is ready. Okay, let's try the taste. じゃーん、できました。親子丼。So, let's begin. いただきます。Really Good smell. 美味しそう。Oh, chicken and onion. Oishi. Chicken is really soft. And then chicken and onion absorbs all the flavor of the seasonings. 味がね、全部しっかり染みてる。わお。美味しい。Well done. Wow. So, anyway, taste is super good. If you have interest in the oyakodon, please give them a try. So, okay, thank you for watching, guys. If you enjoyed my video, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, thank you for watching, guys, and see you by next video. Bye bye.